Alright guys, I'm back for another video. Today I'm going to show y'all how I use other filters and indicators on when to get in a trade and also when to get out of a trade and also when to stay in a trade. I know I talk about not using a lot of indicators, but I mean I use indicators, they just don't move, you know, like they don't change. The only thing you really see that'll change is I have a moving average on my volume. You know, last week, Euro JPY, we had bullish. I'm talking about bullish week. Ended 238 pips back to the upside. We're back up to like the last 2 weeks original entry, which was over here somewhere, like right up in here. So if you were in last week and you didn't close out, you're probably in the negative right now. And if you didn't hold from the top over here, then you're definitely in the negative. So what we're going to do is we're going to back out. We're going to go back and I already have one zone already drawn out. I'm going to draw another zone, and then we're going to get started with what we're doing this week, or what I feel we're doing this week. So we're right back in the resistance zone. Alright. We got missed pivot points to the upside. Not sure we're ready to go hit those yet, but who knows? I'll be able to tell you a little bit in a minute. So we're going to draw our weekly trend line down. We're still in that weekly trend line. We're actually right back at a good point for entry. If it was to give us a price action to the downside, we're at a good level for it to do so. And we'd be looking down to about this level for another maybe this level, probably another 282 pips back down. So we're still in the weekly downtrend. I'm gonna go and we're gonna draw our trend line, our counter trend line, back up to the upside where it broke, which was here. You can see where it broke the trend line and went back up and found it, fell again. Now it's back up in the trend line area again, and so we're getting rejection to the upside a little bit, or some stalling. So when we get some price action to the downside, we may take this back down. But now I'm gonna show y'all what I use to get in and get out of trades. All right, so let's go to the daily and see where we are. Okay, we're right here. Let's go to So from last week, or the last couple of weeks, my entry was based on the Wick zones. This is why I still consider myself John Wick. This is the lower wick of a day. I have day candles on here. That's the lower wick. Once I saw price close in the lower wick zone here, that's my entry. That's my entry. So at that point, I ride it all the way down until it closes in an upper wick zone. This is the upper wick zone of this candle, so I would have got out right here. 60 pips, right? Okay. That's over a couple days, right? That's over 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And on the 4th day, I got another signal, for the 5th day, another signal to enter again in the wick zone. You ride that down, and I would have gotten out here for another 40 something pips. Okay. Now, when I got out, I could have done it, but I didn't want to trade against. I just stayed out. I just sat there and stayed out. But I didn't want to trade against these wick zones. Look, it closed back in the wick zone on the, I don't know how many days that is, but it closed back in the wick zone here of the previous candle, or above the wick zone, and it rolled back. That's when it rolled back up for 227 pips, right? So now we're at another position to where this is the body of last of Friday's candle. It's a doji. So what we're waiting on is to see if next week, or sometime this week, we get a close in this wick zone, and we have missed pivot points. So therefore, we're going to target those as targets, just to show you how I enter and exit my trades, and filter them out. I use volume to let me know when market is reversing. Bear stepping the market here. Bulls stepping in the market here higher than the bears. Shoots up. More bulls. Churn market. More bulls. Bears. Churning. They fighting. Alright, so next week I'm looking for a close down here in this wick zone. If I get a close down here, I'm selling again, baby. But yeah, till next time, y'all keep it easy. Just showing y'all how the wick zone really works, and how effective and potent it is. Alright, man, so till the next video, y'all stay up and get your demo account and practice a little bit. Get your little practice in. Alright, man.